Hey everyone, I'm Jane. Today I want to share the story of 3 cool guys in my family. Daddy, Uncle Tim, and Grandpa.
Who should I call? Tom.
Here's Daddy. He loves to play in his garage. Looks like he's planning something big recently, but is having a little trouble. One day, he brought home something that looked super cool and powerful. He played with it for just a teeny while, and poof, magic! He did a magic light show for me and Mommy. Daddy says this magic thingy can save us a lot of energy and lots of money. It has the power we need for a rainy day or even a week. Next, my favorite Uncle Tim. He's always cooking up a feast with Auntie Rose, but occasionally, oopsies happen. Auntie Rose was all in a bluster to get everything running. Seems a little battery thingy just can't do very much. Luckily, Uncle Tim has the same magic thingy. He says this magic thingy has so much superpower. It can power everything we have at home. Suddenly, everything magically backed up, all running again. The entire house is so bright, just like nothing ever happened. Uncle Tim even uses it to charge up his fancy car. Lastly, the biggest man of the house, Grandpa. Grandpa loves the outdoors, so we go camping together a lot. But camping always ends up smoky and noisy. But Daddy brought the magic thingy today! Yay! We don't have to use Grandpa's yucky power box. And we still have everything we want. So peaceful and nice. And smells fresher too. And it powers our house truck thingy? Easy. So that's the story of our family and the powerful magic box that powers all we need.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.